For over 40 years, job site organisation and safety on building sites has been entrusted to the capable hands of the SAFI Group, an association of companies led by SAFI S.r.l. of Cornuda, Treviso. Since 1961, when the founder, Fiorenzo Sarto, created the world's first mast climbing work platform, SAFI has successfully developed equipment for work at all heights, revolutionizing the concept of the building site and making it practical, safe and profitable. The SAFI mast climbing work platform is the ideal solution for any type of building site. Its performance is exceptional. Its potential and versatility are virtually limitless. But let's take a closer look at a mast climbing work platform. It consists of a horizontal work platform composed of separate modular parts, allowing for various lengths of work. Operated by a system of rack and pinion, it is raised and lowered on one or more vertical columns, which are also modular, so a wide range of heights can be achieved. The entire work surface can be covered, allowing for complete and easy access. The SAFI mast climber is able to carry the user to any part of the area being worked on, together with all necessary materials for the job. The mast climbing work platform alone replaces cumbersome static scaffolding and also various lifting systems such as cranes, material hoists and winches. The SAFI mast climber is an innovative system for all types of building site and guarantees indisputable advantages in terms of safety and value for money. SAFI mast climbing work platforms are always a winning solution for any type of company. A winner for substantial reduction of costs. The ongoing aim to optimize costs on a building site is one of the strategic objectives of any company, and mast climbing work platforms are the ideal way to achieve a real saving without compromising on quality of service. In fact, they can even improve on it. A winner in terms of performance. The erection and dismantling of the equipment requires less time than the alternatives. Given the simplicity of assembling resulting from the use of modular parts, a SAFI platform can be assembled and disassembled with a 75% reduction in the time required compared to the installation of traditional scaffolding. An average mast climber, 25 meters long, 82 feet, and 30 meters high, 98 feet, can be erected in a day by just 2 people. For a working area of 1,000 square meters, 10,500 square feet, that means a saving of 90 hours out of a total of 118 hours. In addition to savings on labor costs, the building site can be up and running much quicker compared to traditional systems, bringing substantial advantages to the completion of the work. A winner on transport. Fewer trucks are required for the transport of the equipment. Thanks to the reduced volume and weight of the equipment, the number of lorries required to transport is in the ratio of 1 to 2. For example, one of our mast climbers, which covers a working area of 1,000 square meters, 10,500 square feet, requires only 13 meters of lorry space, compared with the 25 meters necessary for a fixed scaffolding. A winner in transporting workers and materials to heights. The time lost transporting workers to heights is reduced with the mast climbing work platform, as the worker remains on the platform while working from it, allowing him to reach every area. Also, the materials are lifted on the mast climber, saving the cost on extra lifting machines such as cranes or material hoists. A winner on production control. By using a SAFI mast climbing work platform, it is much easier to monitor the productivity of the workers. In fact, the team works in a line, so it soon becomes apparent if one worker's performance falls below that of the rest. A winner in ergonomics. The mast climbing work platform creates better ergonomics for the worker. The position of the workers is protected at all times, making it safe and adaptable to the varying requirements of the job. There is no need to risk injury by stretching out or leaning over. All that is necessary is to press a button and the SAFI platform will move into the desired position. A winner in adaptability. The ability to adapt to the most demanding conditions is one of the best features of the SAFI mast climber. Installing the base is not a problem, even on rough or sloping terrain, so the conclusion is clear. With SAFI mast climbing work platforms, we can achieve considerable savings, both in the duration of work and costs, resulting in many economic advantages. A winner on safety. Increased safety on job sites resulting in a dramatic reduction in lost time due to accidents means a significant saving on expenditure, costs and legal risks. Where mast climbing work platforms are used, the percentage of accidents is reduced by over 80%. From a purely safety point of view, mast climbing work platforms are universally recognized as the safest system for working at heights. The worker always has a clear view of the working area and works on a platform which has fall protection in front, behind and at the sides. With the use of SAFI mast climbers, the risk of accidents caused by falling materials is greatly reduced. The protection and safety devices of SAFI mast climbing work platforms have been designed and fitted to guarantee the highest possible standards of safety and prevention. Simple to use and reliable during work, the equipment is manufactured according to the latest European standards and conforms to European Standard EN 89/392/CEE. A SAFI mast climber is fitted with the most modern controls and safety blocking devices in a quantity and quality which exceed minimum legal requirements. The long and safe working life of SAFI equipment is guaranteed by its various stress reduction and control devices, and additionally by the hot dip galvanizing of all structural parts. SAFI platforms guarantee, therefore, the highest safety standards not only for the environment, but also for residents in the area surrounding the site. The mast climbing work platforms do not cover the face of the building which is being worked on, nor do they obscure the resident's view. Furthermore, they don't obscure monuments from view during work. There is no obstruction to the visibility of and access to shops and shop windows. But above all, the limited space required to accommodate the base unit causes far fewer hazards. Also, apartments are not made accessible to thieves, thanks to the enclosure of the columns. A building site which uses SAFI mast climbing work platforms has a modern and efficient image. It looks organized and makes an impressive high-tech impact. A company which uses SAFI mast climbers reflects a state-of-the-art image. Uses of these SAFI work platforms. Thanks to the versatility and modular components of the mast climbing work platforms, their uses are virtually limitless. SAFI mast climbers can be used to optimum effect in any type of construction works or building site. There are no height or size restrictions to the area which can be completely covered by SAFI platforms. Even walls with extreme gradients can be reached, covered and worked upon thanks to SAFI mast climber solutions. SAFI has developed a series of special accessories to suit every requirement, using the modular system to allow any part of a building to be reached. SAFI mast climbing work platforms are the ideal solution for building restructuring, for the renovation, restoration and repair of buildings and monuments, for decorating, roof repair, routine maintenance, the replacement of pipes and work on guttering, glass and windows, the restoration of paintings, facades hydrocleaning, thermal and external insulation work, and for all quick maintenance jobs. The exceptional qualities of SAFI mast climbers are shown at their best in the installation of curtain walls in glass, marble, granite or brick, ventilated walls and external surfacing works in general. SAFI mast climbers have been widely used for the soundproofing of walls and ceilings of multiplex cinemas and auditoriums, and for the installation of firefighting ventilation systems and complex audio plants in very large auditoriums. In the public sector, where the size of projects tends to be very large, SAFI mast climbing work platforms have been used extensively, for example in the construction and maintenance of viaducts, bridges and dams. In artistic renovation work on monuments and churches, SAFI mast climbers have shown their versatility and potential. They have been used during the restoration and monitoring of paintings, frescoes and mosaics, in surface restructuring, in the difficult job of bell tower restoration and the replacement of church ceilings. Industrial use has always been a crucial sector for building companies, even the most specialized. In this sector, SAFI with its mast climbers has been a key player in industrial maintenance, such as the demolition and construction of chimneys, in shipyards, aircraft maintenance, and in industrial hangars, petrochemicals and cement-making plants, nuclear installations, electrical and aeolian plants, and in many other areas. The modular composition of the system allows a mast climber, a hoist or a goods lift to be assembled individually. SAFI never ceases to impress, first as always amongst its competitors. With its revolutionary eSAFI System 2000, it has introduced the horizontal movement of the work platform, which enables it to move towards walls in order to pass from the balconies to the main work surface. Once again, SAFI has cut working time and improved safety. The SAFI Group is a large forward-looking company which is destined for great things. Its major strength is specialized work, those really out-of-the-ordinary jobs when the entrepreneurial spirit of men like Fiorenzo Sartor come to the forefront. St. Mark's Clock Tower in Venice, the Colosseum, and St. Peter's Cathedral in Rome, the Plant Flare of Marghera, La Défense Quartier in Paris, the Science Museum Valencia, Hotel Oberoi Bombay, Antonelliana Tower Turin, and the Water Distribution Centre in Rome are just a few examples of works which have won acclaim. Towering viaducts, skyscrapers, dams, wells, ships, and tomorrow, will we read the SAFI name on space stations? SAFI, solutions in search of problems.